Hi dear students, myself Kashinath SP. I'm a physics lecturer in Expert View College, Nagarveta. Dear students, in a last class, we discussed how to measure a physical quantity and a fundamental unit and a derived unit and what is a unit and types of, it means a system of measurements. Types of system of measurement. Mainly we consider that three types of system of measurement. So one is CGS system and second one is a MKS system and the third one is a FPS system. Yes, in a first one is CGS system. It means a length measured in a centimeter, mass measured in a gram, and the time is second. Another one is MKS system. In my MKS system, mass first length measured in meter and mass is kilogram and the time second. In a FPS system, so length measured in foot and mass measured in pound and the time measured in second. You already know these things. Okay, in this class we discussed seven physical quantities. It means seven fundamental physical quantities and some basic things. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ರಿ ಸೆವೆನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಮೇನ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆವೆನ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. Okay, seven main fundamental physical quantities are there. If you measure anything by using these seven fundamental physical quantity, ನೀವೇನೇ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಸೆವೆನ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಕೇಸಿಂದ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ ಲೆಂತ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೀಟರ್. ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ m. ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ್ರಿ m. ಸೊ m it means a meter. So this one we consider that unit of a length. Yes. Next one mass. ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. And SI unit kg. And third one time. Time measured in second. It means SI unit is years. And the fourth one temperature. Fourth one is temperature. So temperature, it is measured in Kelvin and SI unit K. And the fifth one electric current. It is measured in ampere, represented by symbol A. And the sixth one luminous intensity. It is measured in candela and represented by symbol CAD, cat. And the seventh one amount of a substance. Amount of a substance. Okay. amount of substance, it is measured in mole. S, okay, so here length, it is measured in meter, and SI unit we consider that m. You already know that SI units, okay. And another one is mass, kilogram, time, second. It is represented in S. Temperature, Kelvin K. Electric current. You already know that in 10th syllabus. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರಿ 10th syllabus ಒಳಗೆ electric current ಎದರ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Ampere, A, and luminous intensity, candela, CAD, it means cat, and amount of a substance. So that's one is mole. Is represent mole, MOL. Okay. So these are 7 physical quantities. Mean 7 fundamental physical quantities. If you measure any quantities, it means derived quantities by using these 7 physical quantities. For example, volume. If you consider that volume. So volume SI unit is a meter cube. Why? Because suppose here we consider that this one is a square, or we consider that a cube. We want to measure volume of a cube. It means, so here we consider that a length L, and a breadth L, and a height also we consider that L. It means volume is a length into breadth into height. S, length into breadth into height. So length measured in meter, and breadth measured in meter, and height is also measured in meter. So this reason SI unit of a volume is meter cube. SI unit of volume is meter cube. And area. So area, length into height is here. Suppose here we consider that this one is a square. We want to find out area of this square. Length. So this one is height. It means, so here length into height. So length measured in meter, height measured in meter. So this reason SI unit is a meter square. Another one example. Another one example. Force. So force, mass into acceleration. Yes. So mass measured in kilogram. It means kg, and acceleration. So acceleration means velocity divided by time. Velocity divided by time. It means it is the ratio of a velocity with respect to time. Otherwise we consider that a rate of change of a velocity. Rate of change of velocity. So that's why we consider that acceleration. Okay. So here a velocity SI unit. So velocity, it means displacement divided by time. Displacement divided by time. Okay, so displacement andre ಏನ್ರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನಪಲ್ಲಟ. ಅದರ SI unit ಏನ್ರಿ meter. Time second. S velocity SI unit ಏನೈತ್ರಿ meter per second. Okay, so meter per second. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ divided by time. So this reason time is meter second into second. Is then we get meter per second square. Yes, it means SI unit of acceleration meter per second square. So this reason SI unit of force kg meter per second square. It means any derived quantity we can measure by using these seven fundamental physical quantity. You already know that directly. Electric current, it is measured in a unit, it means SI unit ampere, and a temperature Kelvin. Another one is the amount of substance, mole. You already know that in chemistry, 1 mole of a substance, 2 moles of a substance added to the water. You already know these things. ಹೌದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನ ಆ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಯಾವ್ರಿ ಮೇನು ಈ 7 ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಈ 7 ಏನ್ರಿ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಈ 7 ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನ ಏನ್ರಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕತ್ರಿ ಎಸ್ Another one is pressure. So pressure means a force per unit area. Yes. So pressure. So pressure means force per unit area. So force SI unit kg meter per second square and SI unit of area meter square. Yes. Force SI unit kg meter per second square and area SI unit meter square. Why? Because length into breadth, it means meter into meter, meter square is okay. So this reason here we consider that so this meter and meter square cancel. So finally we get SI unit of pressure is kg per meter per second square. Kg per meter per second square. So this one is a SI unit of pressure. Yes, it means by using this 7 fundamental physical quantity, we easily write SI units. So SI units always present in the MKS system. Yes, why? Because SI unit of force kg meter per second in MKS system, mass measured in kg and length measured in meter, time measured in a second. Yes, in SI unit always almost all we consider that MKS system. Okay, so next one. So many examples are there. Okay, dear students, most of these students came from English medium as well as a Kannada medium. So this reason we are using both languages, Kannada and English. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರಿ, ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? I hope you understand. Okay, thank you.